Hey everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we are talking about April favorites. I skipped the month of March just because I didn't really have a lot to talk about, and I did go on vacation, as you saw, and I pretty much used like the same thing that I used from the month of February, so there wasn't really no reason for me to film a March favorites. But I do have a couple things that I have been really enjoying since then and since the whole month of April. Pretty much makeup. There's no skincare this time. I want to start off with a couple foundations. I've talked about them in the past before. The two that I have been currently reaching for this past month and since March is the Healthy foundation from Physicians Formula. I've talked about this. I have a review. I'm talking about it again for the third time probably, but it's a really great foundation. I've been using it every day since Thailand, and it works really great for work too. It's just like a really nice, I love this foundation. You need to pick it up if you are interested in trying it. It's really great. And then I also have the Fenty Beauty foundation, which I pretty much love the finish of it. It just lasts all day on the skin, just makes it look like a flawless face pretty much all day. I really enjoy it, and these two have been my current favorite go-tos for the past 2 months. I actually picked this up during the 21 Days of Beauty from Ulta. I went in there on a whim, and I wasn't supposed to even be there, but I was going in for a cleanser, and then I found this. This was the only one left, and it was $10, and it was probably the best $10 I've ever spent. This is the Pure Cosmetics Miracle Mist Hydrating Spray. The box had the entire information on it, so I don't know what, I mean, it's self-explanatory. It's a hydrating mist, so it's going to hydrate your skin, and like you can use it throughout the day or just before foundation, after foundation, or throughout your makeup routine. But it had all the information on the box, so I don't have it with me, but I like the nozzle and the spray of it because it's a nice mist. It doesn't like go everywhere, and it's just like a very nice all over type of spray. I've been really liking it. It has a very citrusy lemon scent, so if you're not into that, you probably won't like this. And I don't like that it like lingers after, and like I inhale it. It's the weirdest thing, and I'm just like, I can taste this. But I've been really liking it to set my foundation and my makeup throughout my makeup routine, and it works really nice. I just really like the mist of it, and it was worth the 10 bucks, I think. I don't know how much it is full price, but it's a really nice hydrating spray. And I actually have a foundation that I'm supposed to give you like an update on. This is a Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-hour foundation that has SPF 25. I took this on vacation to Thailand, and it was okay. The only thing that I didn't like about it, because I was for some reason not like, I have no idea, it wasn't clinging onto my nose, and I would always get like a little line. I don't know if it's my skin or whatever, but for some reason lately foundations haven't been sticking onto this part of my nose, and it's the weirdest thing. But I think, I'm assuming because I'm getting more dry for some odd reason. But it has very, very light coverage, and I think this is really pricey for what it is. It's really great to pack, honestly, because it's very like, you can toss it around and it won't break, and it also has a SPF factor in it, which is why I really like it. But I think it's really pricey. I was lucky enough to get this from Influencer, but I honestly don't think it's worth the money. And I did write that in my review for my Influencer review, because I was like, yo, this is, I don't know, it's a little hefty for its price for what it is. So just to give you a little update on that. Not stay away from this dang lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. Mocha Twist Lip Plumping Lip Gloss. This is what I have on top of my lips right now, and you can see, I don't even know if you can tell, I used about that much, and it's my favorite lip gloss. I don't know, I keep reaching for it. It's the one that I take with me pretty much everywhere. I put it on top of all of my lipsticks and all of my like liquid lipsticks. It's just like the perfect nude for me, the perfect nude gloss. It's just so juicy. I love it. I have two palettes that I want to talk to you about. One of them doesn't have its like full potential little palette packaging, but this is from NYX. I got this at work when I used to work there, because if you would like, you know, basically hit your numbers, you get like some gratis. But this is the Warm Zone palette, which is this one right here. I could show you. It's like a tester, but because you have two highlighters, you have 6 shades and a blush. Works really nice for every day. If you're someone who struggles with like trying to figure out what colors to like pick throughout the week or whatever, This is a really nice palette because you have something that's like really nice for every day. You have mattes in here, which is really nice, and if you want to go like out, you can use a dark shade, and you know, you can mix and match with this. That's why I really like it. And you can see I've clearly used her a ton this past month because this is what I've been reaching for a lot, honestly. Like anything that on my looks, as far as like work and everyday makeup goes, this is what I go to. And not to mention the highlight, this one right here, the gold one on the top, is my favorite. This one not so much because it's like a pink and it comes off really white on me, but it works really nice and I really like it. It's only like 20 bucks at NYX and the quality is actually really good. If you're curious to like see me do a tutorial using this, please go ahead and leave a comment. I'd be happy to do it. And another palette that I actually feel bad kind of showing because this was limited edition, but I've been using specifically 2 shades. This is the Master Palette by Mario in collaboration with Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I have been using these 2 matte shades, which is called Isabel and Violeta. So these 2 shades have been like popping on my crease, just getting out the door, and we're done. Sometimes I will incorporate the Fifth Avenue or Marina shade in here, but I've been reaching towards these 2 palettes the most this past 2 months, just because this, like I said, like, can you see the resemblance on these 2 shades? Like the color ranges, they're very similar in, you know, together, but they're all like warm shades and they're pretty much everyday use for me personally. So if you're someone who likes these kinds of tones, I'd recommend getting the Warm Zone from NYX, because I think this is already like out. I think this is already like, you can't find it anywhere. That's why I feel bad showing it, but I've been liking those 2 shades on my transition. And I mean, I probably talked about this already, or if I haven't, I'm not even sure, but it's the Anastasia Amrezy highlight. It's the one I'm currently wearing. I have her on my inner corner, have her on my brow bone, and this is the only, besides the other palette, this is the only highlighter that I have been currently using and going to, and I pop this on the inner corner of my eyes like every day for work, and it works beautiful. And I put it like, you know, on the brow bone area, and it's a really nice highlight. If you come across it for whatever reason you're at Ulta, I would highly suggest you pick it up. And I know it works for like all skin tones, so get this, girl, get this. And I actually use this on my cousin. I have her on my Instagram. It was for her prom, and I popped this on the inner corner, and girl, she was like, man, in your face. So I really like her, and it works really nice. I think you would like this if you're a makeup artist to have in your kit. It works stunning on everybody. More products to share with you. One is a concealer. This is the Master Conceal from Maybelline. This is in the shade medium. I have been really enjoying this concealer for this past 2 months. Since I took it to Thailand, you can see I'm already like pretty much going down on it, but it works really good. It has really good coverage in my personal opinion. If you're someone who likes like a full coverage but doesn't like to feel too much heaviness, kind of like the Tarte Shape Tape is a little bit heavy for me personally, but I still use it, you know, under my foundation because it's still too light. But this one right here, it gives you like a really good coverage and it doesn't feel cakey on the under eye. That's why I really like it, because it doesn't feel like too heavy on the skin. And a little goes a long way, so just be aware of that. But I know this comes like in different shades, so if you're curious to try something at the drugstore, or if you come across it, I think it works really nice. I'm bringing in oldie but a goodie. This is the NARS Translucent Crystal Light Reflecting Setting Powder. I have gone back to using her and I forgot why I stopped, but I like this not to bake, because this is not meant for baking. This is just to set everything. Like I literally put this on after my concealer, just, and you know, tap it in, because my skin right now is like transitioning into oily to dry. I haven't been setting my entire face with powder foundation, so I just use this like on the under eyes and on my smile lines, and I'm like literally good to go. I did use it to carve out my contour today, and yeah, I really enjoy it. Does it have like a flashback? I'm not really sure, to be honest with you. I haven't tried it recently. Let me see, let me check through the iPhone, because the iPhone's an ass sometimes. Okay, I look really white. Yeah. I look really light, but I mean, I guess it does have flashback. I don't know, it's not really like a white cast. I just look really, really light. I just look really, really light. So I just really like it because it's super, super fine to set the under eyes. But if you're gonna be taking pictures, then don't do it. Don't do it. I think it just looks good like on film. This is my favorite purse. Oh shit. I got her in Thailand, and she's beautiful, and it's just memory of Thailand, and it's burgundy, which is my favorite color, as well as olive green. But I like her so much. I've been using her pretty much this whole past month, well, since we got back. But it's just like, you know, it's just your standard little purse. Really cute. I still have some coins in here from Thailand, some monies. Last but not least are my shoes or sneakers. These are my Vans. I love Tribe Called Quest, and they collaborated with Vans, and I have been wearing these non-stop. These are my Tribe Called Quest shoes. They are fucking dope, bro. Like, this is their little emblem. That's what they're, you know, little emblem and everything. And this is the Bonita Apple Bum. They have a song called Bonita Apple Bum, and yeah, they have the lyrics on the shoelaces, and it's high top, and it's gorgeous. My favorite. I've been wearing them non-stop, and they were limited edition, so I don't even know if you can find these anymore, but they're my freaking favorite. I freaking love these shoes, and I need to stop wearing them because I'm gonna wear them out, but I just love them so much, and I'm just like, I'm gonna wear them. And every time I go out, I get compliments on them, so they're so cute. I'm so happy I was able to get them, and they're my favorite, and I'm just keep rocking these bitches. But yeah, these are the Bonita Applebum Tribe Called Quest collab. That's all I have to share with you today. I hope you enjoyed watching this and tuning in and making it to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I can't wait to catch you on my next video. Catch you on the flip side. Toodles!